Hey, it's Dino Dan back with you. Today I want to spend just a moment and go through a feature that I use all of the time in the Dynojet PowerCore software suite. So today we're going to be launching C3 tuning software. We're going to go to the ribbon and the Home tab, open, and I'm going to grab a DJT file. Of course, a DJT file, we expect to have changes in it relative to the original file. That's not always the case. You can absolutely save an original file with no changes at all as a DJT. But for sure, this file for this Can-Am Riker 900 has tuning changes made to it. So if you quite simply right-click on the file, compare to stock. Really simple, really intuitive. There's also a visual cue here that here's your file that we're considering the base, which is our DJT. And when I right-clicked and said compare to stock, it automatically opened an STK original or stock file. And so now I have three documents open: the tune file, the STK file, and a temporary file here called comparison. So the tune, the original, and the comparison. What's really nice about the comparison view is you'll notice that down here, all of these edited calibration items are going to be in bold. Okay, so if I go down to spark, ignition timing, look at the DJT file, just pick a point here, 33 degrees of timing in that cell. Stock, 27 3/4 degrees of timing. Comparison, there you go, 5.25 degrees more advanced. Now, if the tune file was less, of course, it would indicate a negative value. There'd be a little, negative sign here, and we can actually just check that quick. Let me just take this tune file. So you know what? How about 25 degrees today? So when I go back to the comparison, there you go, -3. Really straightforward and easy. I'm going to close the compare file and close the STK file that was opened automatically for me. I'm going to open up a different variation of this tune. It'll be another DJT. You'll see now that when I right-click on any one of these files, I have the option to compare that file to stock or to this other file that happens to be open. Same case for this file, compare to stock or compare to this one. Now, if you have more files open, you can pick any one of them to compare to. It gets a little busy up here, so I like to have, one file, two files, maybe the STK, and that's about it, because then it's going to generate, the comparison. So right click, let's compare it to stock. It's automatically going to open the stock. So a visual representation again, base, compare, comparison, view. Pretty handy feature. You'll be using this a fair bit when you engage C3 and you have multiple iterations of tunes and you are inquisitive as to what has changed between them. Hope you enjoyed. I'll talk to you next time through.